So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung Bear King Athena 3. Yes, ito yung Bear King Athena 3. Ito yung Bear King Athena 2. So kung makikita nyo, if you click sa TikTok shop na mislabel, this is actually the Bear King Athena 2 and nakalagay siya sa box, Bear King Athena 2. Ito po yung Bear King Athena 3. So pag-usapan natin to. So, if you look at this reel sa kamay ko, it's actually small and compact because this is the 800 size. Itong 800 size, 4 kg yung kanyang drag capacity and 5.4 to 1 yung kanyang gear ratio. But this also comes in the 1,500 size and 5 kg yung kanyang drag capacity with a bigger spool capacity rin. So, aside from that silver chrome color na meron tayo dito, it also comes in black. In my unboxing video, when I opened the box, the first thing that I noticed visually is yung kanyang paint job. Kung titingnan nyo yung paint job niya, it's a constant silver chrome na color scheme that is going all throughout the reel. Napakagaan niya when I held it for the first time. And yung Bear King Athena 2 carbon na yung kanyang body. Ito, carbon rin, but this reel is actually lighter. Kung titingnan nyo yung Bear King Athena 2, may naka-twin handle siya with a reel stand. Installing the reel stand is optional, but the twin handle really adds a lot sa weight niya. But this reel is actually lighter. Yes, it is a single handle, but with that lightweight aluminum handle, it makes that reel a lot lighter. And aside from the lightweight, you could really expect that this reel performs very well. In terms of drag, yung drag niya is already wool felt washers which are actually very smooth. And yung kanyang gearing, so the gearing of this reel is basically, it is advertised as how these gears were designed is they were digitally designed before manufacturing these gears. So as much as possible, you've got that precision manufacturing making these reels smoother. The performance of the reel, this is very smooth and it's actually very quiet, no? And what I also like about this reel is naka-shallow spool na siya, so you don't need to use a lot of backing, which adds a lot to the weight. So if you want a reel that is actually lightweight and a very good ultralight fishing reel, then I really recommend itong Bear King Athena 3.